How to add related posts in WordPress? Are you looking to keep your readers engaged and increase their time on your WordPress site? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add related posts to your blog. This simple feature can boost user experience and drive more traffic to your content. Let's get started. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins menu and click on Add New Plugins. In the search bar, type Related Posts. Find the Yet Another Related Posts plugin and click Install Now. After installation, click on Activate. Go to the settings for Yet Another Related Posts plugin. Scroll down to find the Automatic Display option and select Thumbnails, tick mark on Post. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. Visit your website to see the related posts in action. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.